Today, we're diving into a critical topic for anyone running AI applications in production: keeping everything stable, even as core tools and frameworks receive major updates. The focus is on recent changes in LiteLLM, Gradio, and Streamlit, three significant players in the AI/ML arena. If your team isn't already preparing for these updates, you're risking both security and operational stability. Several widely used AI and machine learning tools have released new versions, each with significant updates. LiteLLM, a prominent platform for running AI models, now ships Docker images with signed cryptographic signatures, enhancing security and making key infrastructure modifications. Gradio has made updates to its user workflows and security features, aiming to streamline AI model interaction. Last but not least, Streamlit has introduced a new developer preview that's not quite ready for production but offers a glimpse into upcoming capabilities. Every business leveraging these platforms for AI applications must understand what these changes mean. Signed images in LiteLLM can increase trust but require your systems to verify these signatures correctly. The signing key management and image verification are crucial for eliminating vulnerabilities. Changes in Gradio's user interface and workflow components might disrupt your current setup, but they promise enhanced efficiency. Keeping this efficiency depends on ensuring your custom components aren't broken by these updates. Streamlit's nightly developer build gives an early look at new features, though its lack of stability means you shouldn't rely on it for your production workloads just yet. Let's break down the technical aspects a bit more. In LiteLLM's new update, Docker images are now signed using a tool called cosign, which adds an extra layer of security by ensuring that the images you're using are verified and untampered. However, you need to manage cryptographic keys to make full use of this feature, adding an extra step but enhancing trust. Gradio has revamped how workflows are created by simplifying node connections and improving error messaging. This makes the tool more intuitive, but could also potentially introduce compatibility issues with your existing custom setups. Finally, Streamlit's new release provides developmental insights but should remain in the testing environment until it's stable enough for production use. For businesses, these technological shifts can translate into both opportunities and challenges. Enhanced security means less vulnerability to cybersecurity threats, reducing potential business risks. However, they also require adjustments in IT policies and procedures. Furthermore, breakages in current systems due to platform changes could interrupt your operations or lead to additional costs. Adapting to these changes promptly can safeguard your operations and enable your team to leverage improvements effectively. Security upgrades shouldn't be delayed, but must be rolled out with caution and proper verification processes. With every update, there's a risk of unintended bugs and compatibility issues. Breakages in OAuth flows from LiteLLM could lead to issues with gateway integrations. Meanwhile, changes in Gradio could result in UI regressions, potentially disrupting user experience. Further, operational costs will likely increase as more rigorous testing and staging processes are necessary to safely adopt these updates. Automation in your CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment pipeline can mitigate these costs by streamlining security verifications and testing procedures, but this itself requires an investment of time and resources. Kimbodo recommends a layered approach to adopting these changes. First, prioritize security by implementing automatic checks for image signatures within your CI/CD pipelines. Manage and secure these cryptographic keys to ensure integrity. For Gradio's updates, consider running parallel versions during the transition phase. This allows you to A/B test the performance and compatibility with your existing systems. Develop rollback procedures in case any instability arises. Lastly, adopt an experimental approach with Streamlit's developer builds. Use these in sandbox environments to evaluate new features without disrupting existing services. To understand the potential impact and cost of these changes on your specific infrastructure, use Kimbodo's Estimate My Infrastructure tool. This powerful feature will provide a quick estimate of timelines and architecture adjustments tailored to your needs. It's a first step to smartly navigate these updates with minimal risk. For a deeper dive into the technical aspects and strategies discussed here, Visit Kimbodo.com to read the complete article. Remember, preparation and proactive management are key to maintaining a stable AI deployment during these transitions.